What we want to create is airflow, bringing in cool air from the front of the case and exhausting the hot air out the back. To do this, we use case fans. Some cases also bring in cool air from the bottom and the side of the case, and some cases also exhaust the hot air out of the top of the case. The case we're using for this build includes 4 fans already installed, 2 in the front to bring in cool air, 1 in the back of the case, and 1 at the top of the case to exhaust the hot air. There are places for 2 more fans, 1 just behind the hard drives to help pull through the hot air they generate, and 1 at the left side of the case to bring in cool air directly to the video cards. Since the hard drives are right in front of the 2 intake cooling fans, they won't need extra cooling. We're going to add a cooling fan to the side of the case to help keep the video cards cool. This is a 120mm fan with a 3-pin power cable and a 3 to 4-pin Molex adapter. On the side of the fan, there is an arrow that tells us the direction of airflow. We'll turn the fan so the air flows into the case and slip it into the fan bracket on the side of the case. On our last build, the case didn't come with any fans, so we installed 4 80mm fans. To install the 2 front fans into the case, we had to remove the front cover. It was held in by 6 screws, 3 per side, just inside the case. This case had no fan brackets, so we used the self-boring screws that came with the fans. To install a fan with self-boring screws, hold the fan from the inside of the case and secure it with a screw from the outside of the case. Put the second screw into the opposite corner from the first. Securing the fan with all 4 screws will reduce vibration and noise. We installed the other 2 fans at the back of the case to exhaust the hot air, again making sure that the direction of airflow is correct by pointing the arrow on the side of the fan towards the back of the case. Back on our current build, we'll connect the fan's power cables in Lesson 9. In the next lesson, we'll install the hard drives into the 3.5-inch bay.